This is no ordinary office. It is an impenetrable fortress located in Washington, D.C. or Fort Worth. The security measures here make the White House look vulnerable in comparison. Surrounded by barbed wire, guards armed with heavy machine guns, and a secret world hidden beneath the ground, we are now entering the Bureau of Engraving and Printing. But hold on, before you step inside, you must hold your breath, because this is where the world's most powerful object is born, the US dollar. From the outside, everything looks calm, but inside, a strange ritual is underway. Approximately $900 million are printed here every single day. But the question remains, is it just paper? Or is there some supernatural chemistry behind it? Let's dive deep into that mystery. Most people think dollars are made of paper, but the first magic of this factory is that no paper made from wood or bamboo ever enters here. Huge rolls descend into the machines, white, blindingly white. But if you touch it, you will realize this is not paper. It is a unique blend of 75% cotton and 25% linen. It is as tough as the denim of your jeans, yet as smooth as silk. Mixed into this white pulp are tiny red and blue threads. If you look closely under a microscope, they look like arteries and veins spread throughout the dollar's body. This is its DNA. This special paper is manufactured by a company called Crane & Co., which has guarded this secret formula for over 100 years. No one knows exactly how they make it. Now the real drama begins. The white canvas is ready. Now we need that famous green ink. Inside the factory, the air itself seems to carry a greenish tint. Tons of ink are brought in huge drums. But this is no ordinary printer or stamp ink. Only a handful of people on Earth know the recipe for this ink. It is said that this ink possesses magnetic properties. The machines roar to life. The entire floor vibrates with a deafening sound. This is called intaglio printing. This is no ordinary printing. 60 tons of pressure force the ink onto the paper. The pressure is so immense that the ink doesn't just sit on the surface, it is embedded deep inside the paper. After this process, when Benjamin Franklin's face emerges, it looks as if he is alive, staring out from within the paper. If you close your eyes and run your fingers over it, you can feel the dollar's texture. It feels like a sculpture, not a flat image. Now we will look at the strangest part of the $100 note. At this point in the story, it feels like we are watching a sci-fi movie. A blue ribbon is placed on the note. This is not a sticker. It is woven into the fabric of the paper itself. Look at it and you will be startled. If you shake the note, you will see small bells inside the ribbon moving. Tilt it right, they move left. Tilt it left, they move right. This is not an optical illusion. Millions of micro lenses are embedded in each ribbon. How humans created such microscopic technology remains a wonder today. The factory engineers say this is the soul of the dollar. As long as this ribbon moves, the dollar is real. Then there is the color-changing game of the ink. If you tilt the copper-colored inkwell, it turns green. It feels as if the dollar is speaking to you, changing its colors to announce its existence. Our dollar is now almost ready, but it still has no name. It is just a beautiful picture. To give it power, it needs a serial number. The machines now begin to work at monstrous speeds. Clack, clack, clack. Different numbers are stamped onto thousands of notes every second. This number is the soul of the dollar. Once this number is stamped, this ordinary piece of cloth becomes the most powerful object on Earth. Next comes the Eye of God. Massive scanners check every single note in mere nanoseconds. A slight error, a single drop of stray ink, and that's it. That note is rejected. It is mercilessly shredded into tiny pieces, because in this factory there is no forgiveness for mistakes. Finally, large sharp blades or guillotines come down. The large sheets are cut to create brick-hard bundles of money. These are called bricks. A single brick is worth hundreds of thousands of dollars. Trucks are waiting at the gate, armored vans. This money will leave here and spread to New York, London, Tokyo, and every corner of the globe. Some will save a life with this money, others will take a life for it. The factory lights are burning. The machines do not stop because the world is starving for money. And inside this strange fortress, the green symbol of human greed, dreams, and power is being born every moment. So this green paper has now left the factory. Perhaps tomorrow it will be locked inside a billionaire's safe, or perhaps tomorrow it will find a place in your wallet. But remember, this machine can only print money. But the real mystery of money lies not in the machine, but in the human mind. Did you know that the dollar in your pocket also has a secret expiration date? There are more unknown mysteries of the world like this, hidden right before your eyes, yet visible to you. If you want to see them with your own eyes, press that like button right now. This will make our secret community even bigger. And yes, definitely subscribe and ring the bell icon, because our next journey is going to be even deeper, into an even stranger place. Are you ready to know the truth? See you in the next video. Until then, keep your eyes open.